Hi there, in this video, we will be talking about how to change your Android phone ringtone in a computer using a Parasoft Phone Manager. First off, we need to go to a Parasoft Phone Manager page. Here's the link. And then, click on the download button found on the page of the Parasoft Phone Manager. Once downloaded, make sure to install the tool in your computer. Now here is the tool. Next, launch the application and connect your device to the computer. You can actually connect using a USB connector, a Wi-Fi network connection, or by simply scanning the QR code found on the interface of the tool. Once connected, you will see different icons on the upper part of the tool. Click on Music to view all the music of your device. Now choose the song you want to use as a ringtone. Next, drop down Set Ringtone and then choose Ringtones. Once you choose Ringtones, the ringtone of your phone will automatically be changed. To disconnect, click on My Phone and then click on Disconnect found on the lower part of the interface. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.